Hey there, welcome back. Today we have the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. In this video, I'll guide you through how to change the refresh rate settings on your device. Follow all the steps carefully to adjust the display performance smoothly. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and enable notifications. Now let's begin.